Hola a todos, bienvenidos a mi canal. Yo soy el profesor Didier García y en esta oportunidad vamos a jugar armando frases. Yo tengo aquí mi computador, voy a ir jugando y usted me va ayudando. Entonces recuerde que una frase en inglés tiene tres partes principales que son un sujeto que se dice subject, un verbo que se dice verb y un complemento o predicado que se dice complement. Subject, verb, and complement or predicate. Okay? Let's begin. Here we have 10 sentences. The first one says, okay, the first that I need to do is put this period at the end. Capital letter in this case, the verb here is love.
I love singing English songs.
I love singing English songs. Okay. Now the second one. Period here. Pronoun is the first place, in the first place. The second is our verb in third person, has, he has a big, my God. He has a big, hey, what happened? Oh, I don't know what happened. Big, they are adjectives.
He has a big blue book.
He has a big blue book. Very good. Next one, number 3. Okay, remember, the first, we have to put here at the end the period. Okay, in that case, they are talking about the, remember, the adjective always describe a noun. In this case, is here. Oh my God.
The turtle swims.
The big turtle swims. Okay, next one. Period at the end. I
love singing.
I love singing. Okay, very good. Next one, number 5. Period at the end. Personal pronoun at the beginning. Adjectives.
I love reading books.
I love reading books. Very good. Congratulations. Next one, number 6. Remember, the period is at the end. Then I need to put
the dog
subject.
jumps.
The dog jumps. This sentence is written in simple present tense. Next one, number 7. Period at the end. The personal pronoun at the beginning. Oh no, I need the article. Here. Oh my God, I don't know what happened. Hey, here, okay.
He has a book.
He has a book. Very good. Next one, number 8. Period is at the end. I need to put the personal pronoun at the beginning.
I can jump high.
I can jump high. Very good. Next one. Number 9. Period at the end. Personal pronoun at the beginning. I can play is the verb here. I can play soccer daily.
I can play soccer daily.
I can play soccer daily. Very good. Number 10, and this is the last one, okay? I hope you have enjoyed this activity today. The period is at the end. Punto al
I
final.
can play.
Ah, it was easy. I can play. Okay, very good. Your score is 10. Okay, very good. Guys, espero que les haya gustado. Voy a empezar a hacer esta clase de videos porque hay muchas herramientas en internet que nosotros no usamos. Los profesores lo sabemos, muchas personas lo saben, pero a veces no lo usamos. Bueno, entonces espero que les haya gustado y bueno, veamos en el próximo video. No olviden suscribirse, darle like y compartir. Bye bye.